5 cloth baby wipes make this countdown, ending with the one I'd actually buy. Choose softness alone, and diaper changes can demand more cloths and more scrubbing. Choose texture for cleanup, or flannel for softness. Number 5. Prince Lionheart Warmies. Got stubborn messes and limited changing table space? I'd consider these when texture matters more than a gentle feel. The bamboo and cotton terrycloth measures 7.5 by 7.5 inches, so it's compact while offering useful surface grip. But that cleaning-focused texture comes with noticeably less softness, making this a specialized stash edition rather than my everyday default. Skip it if you want a larger cloth, prefer a particularly soft wipe, or dislike handling smaller squares during messy changes. Number 4. Buttons Cotton Flannel. This is the stash building option I'd choose when softness and budget matter more than heavy-duty construction. Each cotton flannel square measures 7.5 by 7.5 inches, and its 8.0 softness score suits families wanting a gentler everyday texture. The compromise is thin construction, backed by a 3.0 durability score that makes frequent hard scrubbing a poor match. Skip it if your laundry routine is demanding, you expect one stash to last, or you want a thicker cloth for bigger messes. Number 3. BabyKicks Cloth Wipes. If natural fibers and extra coverage lead your list, I'd put BabyKicks ahead of the smaller options. Its 9 by 7.5 inch shape gives you more working area, while hemp and organic cotton create more than one surface texture. That appealing material story loses ground in the laundry, because these wipes don't wash especially well and offer weaker long-term durability. Skip them if easy maintenance is non-negotiable, your washer runs constantly, or you want the most dependable long-haul stash. Number 2. OsoCozy Flannel Wipes. For a practical everyday stash, these are the budget-minded flannel wipes I'd shortlist first. The 8.5 by 8.5 inch cotton flannel cloth gives your hand generous coverage, while its durable character better suits repeated washing. But the fabric can feel thin, and its cleaning ability trails the stronger terrycloth choice coming next. Skip OsoCozy if you want plush thickness or maximum texture for stubborn cleanup. Choose fewer heavier wipes instead if you dislike building a larger stash. Number 1. GroVia Wipes. This is the one I'd actually buy for regular diapering and the random household messes that follow. Its 8 by 8 inch polyester and cotton terrycloth combines manageable coverage with serious texture, earning 9.0 for cleaning and 9.0 for durability. That performance-first build isn't especially plush, with softness at 5.0, and the blended fabric won't satisfy every natural material shopper. Skip it if softness outranks cleanup, or if you specifically want an all-cotton cloth. For everyone else, GroVia offers the strongest everyday balance here. Choose Warmies for compact texture, buttons for a soft budget stash, and BabyKicks for natural fibers. OsoCozy balances size and value, while GroVia wins on cleanup and durability. Before buying, match cloth size to your hand, choose texture deliberately, and decide how much laundry wear you'll accept. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd default to GroVia for dependable cleanup and repeated use. Switch to OsoCozy for softer flannel on a tighter budget. Links are in the description.